back to my channel. It's dabeerahh here. Happy New Year to you guys. This is my first video this year and I am so happy to be making it. So in today's video I'm going to be doing a full face using only NYX Cosmetics product. So I had like a couple of NYX products like eyeliner, mascara, setting sprays, but then I went to get the rest of the things that I didn't have, so, and I've not unboxed it yet, so I've not done any foundation matching or anything. I just kind of guessed online. And make sure to subscribe, like, share, and let's get started. So first thing I'm going to be trying is the Nyx Can't Won't Stop foundation, and this is in the shade Deep Reach. Actually do not like full coverage foundations because they look cakey on me. Well, let's see how this is. You want it, you bad, you want it, you bad, you want it.
Low, Wande.
Shaking keys, okay. Shaking them off faster. Shaking keys, okay. Shaking them off faster. Shaking keys. Hey girl, you know I love your style. I know you're bad, I know you want it.
So this foundation matched really well, really well. I really like it. So now I'm going to be highlighting my face with the NYX HD Studio Concealer Cappuccino. This looks like it's going to be too dark.
Say tonight to be your night. Gotta be doing something right. I'm so into you. You got me losing it. I got a lot of enemies. Somebody.
Alright, now I'm going to be using my Real Technique brush to blend this in. Oh, look at that. Blended in really nicely. I feel like that might have been too dark for highlight, but it is what it is. Let's see how it goes. This doesn't look bad. A little dark, but we can manage it. So next, I'm going to be contouring with the NYX Can't Won't Stop concealer. Can't stop, won't stop. So this is the NYX Can't Won't Stop concealer in Deep Espresso, and I'm going to be using this to contour my face. So I was going to buy the NYX Can't Won't Stop. I really like saying that. I'm going to get the NYX Can't Won't Stop concealer for highlighting, but they were really out of possible shades I thought I could use. But fun fact, I've never actually cream contoured. This is my first time cream contouring, so don't judge. I just usually do powder contouring because I really didn't used to find my shade that were dark enough for me, but this is actually really dark. This is really good for contouring for my dark skin girls out there. So I'm just going to use my beauty sponge. I'm going to use the bottom of my beauty sponge to blend this out, and it's blending out so easily. Like, I thought this would be a struggle for me to blend, but it's really blending out so easily. I really like how their products blend out so like easily. Ooh, actually looks snatched. I've gone overboard with the nose contour. Oh, Jesus Christ. Hey guys, I hope this doesn't look bad on camera because it doesn't look bad in my mirror right now. Now I'm going to be setting my face using the Can't Won't Stop using the Can't Won't Stop setting powder in medium deep.
Girl, you done make me go low. Shaking that ass like oh no. Shaking that ass like oh no. Suddenly everyone feels nice. My
ever to cream contour my nose, because this was bad. So now I'm going to be using the NYX Ultimate Shadow Palette. Looks like this. So I'm going to take this purple color and pop it into my crease.
This one I bear do Jabata. This one I bear do Jabata. Who don't know me?
Now I'm going to be using the NYX Matte Liquid Liner to line.
Stop my shine for your mind now. I don't turn to water. So I say don't stop, daddy.
So we're gradually coming to the end of this video, so I just went to put on some lashes, and yeah, so next I'm just going to, with this NYX Liquid Crystal Body Liner. So this is the gold one. I'm just going to line it a little bit.
All over the corner, baby come, so I hit the pussy like a.
Now that that is done, I'm just going to put on my lipstick. So this is the NYX Intense Butter Gloss, and this is the shade Toasted Marshmallow.
Drum like a drum, pam pam, she make me say, my woman, my everything, my woman, I go free by you anything.
I use the NYX setting spray, the NYX Dewy setting spray, to set my face all over. Yes, so this brings us to the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe and all that good stuff, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.
Luckily for me, you know my beat. They say I take you personal, I know if you disagree.